You see me? Yes?
Hello, yes, luckily I can see you now.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
I answered first and it said someone else answered. And I'm like, no. But
hmm
we're good.
Uh,
We're good.
yeah, I was waiting actually. It was showing to me that you are offline. So I waited a little
Hmm.
and then it showed green light and then I called you.
Yeah. Cambly is funny sometimes.
Yeah,
Uh,
and especially on Sundays.
oh, right. Because it's so busy. This is the best time right now.
hmm
I only work 2 hours today, but that's
hmm
because these hours are everyone's on.
Right, right. So
Yeah.
what time is it there?
It's 3:07 in the afternoon.
3:07 in the afternoon. Okay. I
Mhm.
believe you are in United Kingdom?
Nope, United States. But you look
Ah,
like you're in the
yeah,
United Kingdom.
no, 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 I'm not.
Okay. So why
Yeah.
does it say UK on your profile?
So I don't know why is it there. I
Okay,
tried to fix it, but I didn't find any solution.
no worries. So with your English, do you have more experience with American English or British English?
I think American,
Okay. And why do you say this?
uh, maybe American is English is more common than like spoken English is more common than British. This is what I think. Maybe I'm wrong.
So, I am asking you. So
Uh-huh.
your English, you worked in a school, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Normally, it is British. I will
Oh,
be teaching in
okay.
Spain,
Right.
and my boss is Irish,
Mm-hmm.
and so she told me, Tony, there's going to be words that are mostly British. You need to teach this, and
Ah,
I'm
I
like,
see.
so I have to put things in the boot of my car. Do you know this
Right.
term?
Yeah. A trunk. For the trunk, they
Yes.
have boot.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah.
And words like this. I'll have to say things are rubbish instead of garbage.
Right, right, right. And they like most of the time they do not pronounce R in their
Ah,
yeah.
it's
Uh,
no, that's fine.
father, father, mother,
Father.
mother.
There you go. Yeah, there it is.
Yes.
I love the British accent though.
Yeah, it
Um,
is good.
I've been watching this show with my fiance. It's very popular on Netflix. Have you seen this around?
Downtown Abbey. No.
Downton Abbey. Not
Abbey.
Downtown Abbey. There is not the
Oh,
W.
downtown. Oh, I see.
Downton. It looks like
Downtown.
downtown.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Uh-huh.
And this is about like British life in like the 1920s, in a very like rich person's house.
Right, right,
It's lots of drama, but you know, my fiance, she wants to watch it, right?
right. She's American or British?
Technically, she's Indian. She is Indian, but
Wow.
she was born in India and grew up here in the US.
Right, right. So, how long have you been a teacher?
So, that's a tough question. Um, I taught Spanish in my master's program for 2 semesters, but I've been certified to teach English since March of this year.
Right.
Hmm.
So, where did you get your certification from?
CELTA,
Sultan,
so Cambridge, if you're familiar.
Cambridge. Right, right.
Cambridge University in the
Yes.
UK. I got my acceptance or correction. I got my certificate from the UK. They sent it overseas.
Okay. So, was it face to face or online?
It was online. Um, I wanted to do in person in Spain, actually.
Right.
No one is accepting in person right now, or at least they weren't when I went. But I am going to Spain to teach in September.
English?
Yes, English.
Okay. So
but
before pandemic, you were in Spain, right?
actually, no. So it's funny. I've been to Spain 3 times
Okay.
in the past, but I've been to Spain in the past 5 years. I've been twice. Once after my bachelor's, and then once a couple months ago. I just got back.
Okay.
I got a job, and so I'm leaving in September to go back.
Wow, great. So you studied in Spain as well?
I did study a little bit in Spain. Yeah.
Interesting. That's cool. So why in Spain when in US there are so many good universities and colleges?
I've always been a Europe person. The US is not my preferred type of living.
Right. Okay.
I like small towns that are more community. This exists in the US, but I feel like towns are more close in community in at least the area I want to live in. It's called
Okay.
Pontevedra, if you ever want to look at it. Pontevedra.
Okay. So how is your Spanish?
Creo que es perfecto, pero me puede opinar.
Okay. Right.
In fact, my position does not require Spanish.
Okay.
But I have a master's in Spanish, so I'll be okay. So what certificate did you get for teaching, or do you have one?
So recently I completed my TOEFL certification online. Yeah.
Okay. You said recently. How recent?
Almost 1 month ago.
Ooh, you're super fresh.
Yeah.
Welcome to the world. What are you? So, how long were you teaching in the international school?
Like it has been since I came to Saudi Arabia, I have been teaching English in an international school. Actually, I was hired in Pakistan, and the purpose of coming over here is the same, to teach English.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how long would you say total teaching English?
So it has been